This is your typical two-bedroom house built in Winnipeg between 1970 and 1975, and it has aluminum wiring. Hi, I'm Chuck Lewis from Mr. Electric of Winnipeg, and today we're going to be talking about aluminum wiring and the precautions you can take to make sure your wiring is safe. How aluminum wire becomes unsafe is because it heats and contracts as it's used. As a result, over time, the joints get loose at the plugs, the switches, and the lights. When the joints are loose, they can cause an arcing. Arcing means the current jumps across a gap in these devices, kind of like a spark plug in a car. It's dangerous and can cause injury or fire. Aluminum wire will always give you a sign, so keep an eye out for flickering lights. It's like a car with a rattle. The longer you leave it, the bigger the problem becomes. And aluminum wire, if you see flickering lights, that's a sign that your aluminum wire is stressed. Aluminum wiring came out from 1970 to 1975. If your home was built in this period, you most likely have it. The reason aluminum wiring was produced was because copper prices went through the roof. As a result, aluminum wiring was used to save on cost. When you open up your panel, you will sometimes find a combination of half copper, half aluminum wiring. When copper prices fell in the mid-70s, copper wiring was affordable again and incorporated into home construction mid-build along with aluminum wiring. Your home is your biggest investment. Your wiring is what gives your home life. Before you purchase a house, one of the best ways to assess your investment is to get a qualified electrician to open your panel to determine if you have copper or aluminum wiring and what percentage is aluminum. If you do have aluminum wiring, an electrician can go through your entire house and open up all the switches and joints and tighten them all to mitigate the risk of fire. Furthermore, an electrician can tell you if the proper aluminum morettes were used or whether a special product called Penetrox was applied to ensure the aluminum connections were properly treated. The morettes are used to safely join wires from your circuit to your device, like a switch or a plug. Over time, homeowners got tired of the beige plugs like these and started installing the new decor plugs like these. What they didn't know, there was a major difference between the beige plugs and the decor plugs they were installing. To determine if your decor plug is aluminum approved, simply look at the back. There you'll see two symbols, CU for copper approved and AL for aluminum approved. If the AL is crossed out, it is not approved for aluminum wiring. Again, if they are not approved, they are at risk for fire. If you find your home has had the aluminum devices removed and they've installed decor devices that are not approved, you can fix this problem by pigtailing off with a piece of copper wire to the aluminum wire by using an aluminum moret with Penetrox as a coating on the wire, making sure that your joints are nice and tight, and then the copper wire comes to your new device. But before doing this, check with your insurance provider to make sure this is an approved method. Again, eliminate the guesswork. We strongly recommend that you contact your insurance company, hire a qualified electrician, for they can make recommendations and provide solutions. Thanks for watching our video on aluminum wiring. To help you make informed decisions about how the wiring in your home works and what you can do to keep it safe. I'm Chuck Lewis from Mr. Electric of Winnipeg. Make sure to check out our other videos on YouTube about electrical. Bye for now.